So yeah, right now I'm gonna install everything in the front just to you know, save some time. The cherry picker's back there, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some rubber grease. We're gonna put it around here so you guys can see that, and then we're gonna put some around here. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hammer it in with the axle socket, so stay tuned for that next. On second thought, guys, I don't even need to hammer it in, because literally it just goes in like this, touches, and that's like the maximum. So yeah, I'm gonna get the other ones, gonna get the oil pulley, or oil shaft sprocket on, and then do the cover that goes here, and then the cam sprockets. I'm gonna get that on, torqued. So right now I just installed the cover. I'm about to install the cam sprockets, and I also got some new cam pins. There's one right here. Here's the part number. So I'm not sure where they went. I don't know if I lost it or machine shop lost it, but I got them anyway. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to do the oil sprocket next. So yeah, I'm gonna go put it in now, and then I'm gonna torque it. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I forgot to mention, they always go in the middle. Well, that depends though. If you're trying to advance and retard, that's a different topic. But you know me, I'm just gonna leave it at factory spec. So just like that. And also these are not you know, direct. I mean, they are directional, but either one, you can swap them right or left. You know, there's no directions on here stating which one is left or right. You know, cam 1, cam 2. But yeah, they go in, the deep part goes in like that. So we'll get that going like so. Wait a minute now, make sure that's flat. All right, so that's one, and then when you put the bolt in, it'll hold it in place. So we'll get that going. All right, let's get the other pin out. Tight there. Yeah, why not replace these, make these brand new. Very cheap. I think like $2. Make sure it's in the middle. If you do need to replace these, guys, now would be the time to do it. Or you can just do it every what is it, 60k or 90k that the time melts do. I don't have to look. So we're gonna get that. All right, guys, we're gonna torque this down. I believe it's 36. So I'm just gonna snug these on for now. I'm gonna lose that pin. All right, guys, I'm just gonna snug this on for now. All right, so we're gonna torque this down to 36 foot-pounds. So what I do is I've got a 26 wrench, and I'm put it right over here. So when I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna torque this down to 36. Just waiting for that click. Oops. Ooh. There you go. That's what we wanted. So yeah, they got this little flat part here. It's a 26. They also got one right here. I think that's for doing the valve lash, which I'm gonna do soon. I think this one's a 15/16. I don't have that right now, so I got to go to the store and buy it. All right, we're gonna do this. Click it down. Wait for that click. Damn, we gotta. There we go. That's what we want. Let me double check, man. Sometimes doing all this talking and working, sometimes you forget things. There we go. 36 foot-pounds. That is it. I am going to do the oil sprocket next. Alright, so we're now at the oil pump sprocket. So it's actually 16 foot-pounds. So go down to 16. Do put a pry bar right here and half at it. There we go. 16 foot-pounds. Bada bing, bada boom.